Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to create a poll in Slack. So first what you want to do is open up a new tab and type in poly.ai. And here, what you want to do now is click on try it free, then pick Slack right here. Then it will just load like this. Click on allow, wait for it to load. And there, once that's all done, you can go back to Slack. As you can see, there will be an app section once you've added the Poly or Poly AI, and click on it and you'll see create a Poly button right here. So just click on that, and who is your audience, teams and coworkers, meetings, events, and just have some fun. So let's say it's teams and coworkers. And what is our goal? Collect general feedback. So let's say here, run check-in stand-ups. And there you could have some examples right here. But if you want to create your own, just need to click on it again and create new. And you could type the question, let's say, are you done with your work today? Something like that. And you could pick a question type, agree, disagree. Let's say this one, or multiple choice. Okay, let's say yes or no, and ongoing. After that, choose audience. So let's say on general, so that everyone can see the poll. Then once that's done, just need to click on send. Let's see, your poly has been created. You can distribute this poly outside of Slack to get more responses by creating a web link below. So basically, you could create a link below to get more responses in your poll. So just click on the create link right here. So after that, just click on done. Let's see on general. So as you can see, there's 3 options here, which is the yes, no, and ongoing. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.